What we have here is we have our Protekta Glaze. The Protekta Glaze is a general all-purpose liquid laminate that is used in the digital printing industry. We use this primarily on short-term applications, signage, vehicle branding, posters, roller banners, and wallpapers. And it offers incredible leveling agents and anti-scuffing properties. What sets our product apart from the rest is that it is a world first in that it is a hybrid polyurethane mix with the acrylic. This has never been done before because one could not mix polyurethane and acrylics together because polyurethane is derived from fossil fuels. We've now got a synthetic polyurethane or a hybrid polyurethane which is compatible with acrylics and therefore can blend with water and therefore offers wonderful leveling agents, great anti-scuffing properties, it's flexible and it will enhance and service your business better than most products. There's a lot of time and effort invested into digital prints, making a sign for a client. What this does is it helps save the defects in production. In terms of saving time, saving money for having to redo a job because of a small scratch, because one's lifted a board and put it on top of another board, it serves as a protector. We've tried and tested it in all spheres of exposure. It has gone through stringent tests within weatherometers, revolution scuffing tests, and have come out with an absolute supreme result. There are various applications for glaze onto printed substrates. Here we have a typical roll-to-roll application. This machine is ideal for large volume production. To try and do that by hand is an impossible task because of the drying time, because of the space required in order to execute the project on hand. The glaze is applied on the receiving or the entry side of the machine, and it goes underneath a Mayer bar. The Mayer bar is a steel bar that is wound with stainless steel wire very tight up against each other to form very small grooves that allow the glaze to run underneath and spread evenly over the vinyl substrate. It is then drawn by a motor on this side, which slowly pulls the substrate through the heaters and blowers, comes out of this side, and it is absolutely dry. This is a typical hand application of the Protekta Glaze, and there are two ways of applying the glaze. One can dip the pad into the glaze and spread it over the vinyl. My preference is to have a squeegee bottle and to generously supply the glaze over onto the substrate and then even it over with the pad and extension. The reason why one would do hand application is primarily to do and look after short runs. What we do is we apply the product on relatively generously on first coat. Once the first coat has been applied evenly over the substrate, we then gently rub off all the excess glaze that is left behind. The linear application lines are still relevant at this stage. The more the product has time to settle, those linear lines level off to a smooth, fine, high gloss finish. If we're doing vehicle wraps, we will leave it for 8 hours at least to cure because there's a very huge demand on stretching material, heating material to conform over complex curves and to go onto indents, etc. But for general application, the application of posters, the application of billboards, 20 minutes to an hour, the vinyl is ready for market. What allows our product to level off a lot more than any other product is the hybrid polyurethane content. We are proud to have achieved what we have with Protekta Glaze. It is a world first, utilizing the latest technology in that it is a hybrid polyurethane acrylic mix, offering wonderful finishing products. At the end of the day, it will service your customer, and your customer is our customer.